Well, happy New Year from Portugal. It's New Year's Day today and we're having a slightly lazier day today. We've only done a few jobs around the place, so you may recall the beautiful chandeliers that were on the wall and on the ceiling. Look at the state of the wiring. And we got rid of the curtain poles on this window because there's shutters outside, you can see there. And we also got rid of the curtain poles in the little bedroom that we're sleeping in. In the shower room, you can probably see here, look, it's lifting. Here, they've used spray adhesive quite a lot. Well, it was the same in the toilet and all the weird got underneath all the bits that were lifting. So this morning I sat and pulled it all up. You can still see there's a bit of adhesive still on the floor. And it was disgusting. There's no other word for it. Absolutely stank. So that's been bleached about 50 million times, no word of a lie. And instantly it smells much cleaner and much better. We'd already changed the toilet seat because I just couldn't bring myself to sit on that toilet at all. But yes, so small progress today. We've boarded up this window to see what it would be like when we just panel this whole wall here and it's just blank. And we've done the washing. Well, I should say Tony did the washing. You did the washing this morning, didn't you, my love?
Yes, I did. I'm really good at it as well.
If you say so yourself.
Yeah, I do say so myself, yeah.
Only a few bits, look, just hanging up. Gorgeous day again today. We're just sat outside now. And we've been invited out this afternoon, haven't we?
For, was it a drink and some soup?
A traditional Geordie tradition, apparently.
Geordie tradition.
We're going along to a couple that we've met on here that belong to the WhatsApp groups that we've been asked to join. And we're going for soup and wine, which apparently is a Geordie tradition.
Soup and wine. Yeah, if it is a Geordie tradition, can you let us know what it's called or what it is? And yeah, put it in the comments below. Just pull it. Done.
While Tony's been doing the kitchen, I've been trying to take all of these beautiful things off the double doors here. Look at the amount of holes in everything. He absolutely loved a cup hook. They are everywhere. I don't really know what this plastic edging is here. I'm going to take it off and find out.
Oh my God.
We think it was some kind of fly screen.
Oh no.
Oh, look, what?
Nothing.
Oh, you sod. Oh, but it looks much more open already, which bodes well for when we redo the kitchen.
Yeah, we'll just panel it.
Yep.
I'm going to keep these because these things look are really good just for screwing it to the wall.
Yep.
We'll keep these.
We'll do
I
that.
don't know how to keep them in a.
I'll get a little bag and I think we should keep some of the screws.
No, I've got a great idea. Why don't you get a little bag and keep all the screws in it?
Shut up. Well, Tony's done a brilliant job. All of the upper cabinets now have all gone. The extractor's gone, which was disgusting. And the splashback, that's gone as well. So the next thing we'll be concentrating on is removal of some of the base units. We understand that the dog charity that we spoke to this morning will come and take all the furniture. They're absolutely ecstatic about it, including the sofa, the tables and chairs. Give us a wave, Tony. Come on, grumpy. And all of this furniture as well. So we're hoping that's going to get done sometime this week. So we're not in any rush to remove the kitchen because we're still waiting for our quotes to come in. So that's progress today, plus all of the bits and bobs that I removed from around the door, all the cup hooks. He absolutely loved a cup hook, didn't he?
He did.
So I think that's probably progress for day.
Yeah, I think so.
And more tomorrow.
More tomorrow.
So it's the 3rd of December. No, it's not. It's the 3rd of January today, and a little bit more progress today. Not too much though, because today is Friday, and Fridays at 2 o'clock is quiz day here on the site. So we've been invited once again to take part in a quiz. So we're going to leave at 1:15, get a seat, get the team together, etc., etc. So we're just finishing up for the day now and calling it a wrap, but a little bit of progress today. So we completely gutted this cupboard today, and this is the cupboard that will become the main bedroom here, and we're going to extend this here, put a partition wall in here with a door, and this is going to be the ensuite. We're going to knock through this wall, which is into the beautiful toilet here. We've taken out the cupboards and everything today. Extend it out to this point here that you can see, and make an ensuite shower room. So that's the plan. So that's been emptied today, all the bits and bobs dumped over the side as usual, and the boys, bless them, come and fetch it and dispose of it for us. So that's been done today, and the other thing that we've done today is we've taken down the shutters from all around the unit. We are going to put them back on, but we're going to refurbish them and paint them a cottage blue, kind of like if you think about French country cottage, that's the colour we're going to go for outside. So yeah, so that's the progress today. Look at it, it's complete chaos, but it's okay, it's making progress, and that's what we like. So all for today, back on it tomorrow. Well, we've got progress today. So today the Paws charity, the dog charity, came and took the furniture from the house. We've got an assortment of lovely camping furniture from the van. We've moved the outside seating into the house so that we can sit on something. The kitchen remains the same. Look at the decking though. This is the space. Tony's just taking out probably the 200th cook. Let me say that again. Say that quickly if you can. 200th cup hook from the ceiling that we've just pulled out. But all along here, I don't know if you can remember, was just constant extensions on extensions on extensions. And they ran all the way along here at the back. And then there was that big servery here, which I don't know if you remember from previous videos, was plugged in to one of those extensions. It was the devil's own game to get it off. I don't know if you can see the floor here. He'd screwed that servery onto a plinth. It was just a nightmare. There is the plinth here. But yes, all in all, I think you can kind of start to see the sort of space that we've got now to sort of play with. So our plan still remains outdoor kitchen along this wall here. Some seating, nice garden furniture in here, covered garden furniture, so that stays indoors all the time. So yes, so that's us for today. Probably just sit in the sun and have a cup of coffee now.